10 divided by 10 is 1. We have 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 equals to 1. But this, of course, is incorrect, because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, multiplication, division, which needs to be done from left to right, and addition and subtraction. In this case, we have only division, therefore we need to do it from left to right. So we have 10 divided by 10, which is 1, divided by 10, and divided by 10. Here we have 1 divided by 10, we can write it as a fraction. And then we have divided by 10. When we have a division, we can multiply with the inverse number. So we have 1 over 10 multiply by 1 over 10. And the answer is 1 over 100. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao, ciao.